Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the thumbnail on a video, like the picture you see here. It's really important because that's the first thing people see, and the thumbnail should be enticing enough to click on. First, you want to choose the thumbnail you'd like to use. It's best to create your own to avoid any copyright issues. I've already made this one to use as our thumbnail. Now, let's download it. Just press the share button in the top right corner and scroll down to download. Make sure to choose a format that gives you the highest quality possible. Click download, and the time it takes will depend on your internet speed. Now that it's downloaded, you can see it here. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. You can either click on the file in the download bar or head over to your downloads folder. Here's the file. Next, go back to YouTube and click on your profile picture. Scroll down to YouTube Studio and click on it. On the left side, go to Content and find the video you want to change the thumbnail for. I want to change the thumbnail for this video, so I'll click the pencil icon. Scroll down to the thumbnail section and click on the three small dots. Here you can either reselect a thumbnail from the pre-made options that YouTube generates for you based on the video content, or you can simply press Upload File to choose your own picture. Now navigate to the folder where you downloaded the image, select the picture, and click Open. It should look like this now. Finally, go up to the right corner and press Save. And there you have it. Here's how it looks. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.